This prestigious home is built by the reputable Ventura Homes just a few years ago and have been much loved since. Ideally located in Redcliffe with the upcoming new train station, this is the place to be in. If you love entertaining your friends and family, this will be what you're after, with a kitchen overlooking the lounge area, a generous sized game room, and ample car space. It's pleasing to share that the beautiful Redcliffe Park is just a stone's throw away, with a well-maintained sports field for all events, and beautiful playgrounds for young kids. Just a short walk to bread and butter shops, bar and bistro, grills and coffee shops, you will absolutely love this area. If you are a frequent flyer, this home is just a few minutes drive to the Perth airport. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to come in and have a look, just give me a call or text. See you around.